Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef steak. First, choose a quality cut like a ribeye or New York strip for optimal flavor and texture. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a fantastic sear. Then, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, ensuring full coverage for the best taste. Now, let's get that perfect crust. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot skillet. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, caramelized crust. This initial sear locks in the juices and develops incredible flavor. After searing, transfer your steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking. Use a meat thermometer to reach your desired internal temperature, aiming for about 130 degrees for a perfect medium rare. Once cooked, remove the steak from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your masterpiece. Always slice the steak against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Arrange your perfectly cooked steak on a plate and serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, like roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. For more great deals, and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade steak.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.